Hello everyone. Today I will show you wheel management and synthetic. Of course, for wheel we can create new, delete, rename, copy or move the wheel. So we can move this wheel by coordinate or offset. For wheel management, we can right click and select management. All the wheel top can be managed here. This button is add new tops. We can rename as a new top and BBB01, or we can delete this top. This button is to move the top down, and this button is to move the top up. That makes sure the order for top are same as the stratigraphy. Such as if I want to move this top down or move top up. For each wheel, there are two columns. One is in depth domain for wheel top in red. One is in time domain in green. We can input the wheel tops by hand, of course. If we don't know, system can calculate wheel tops based on linear interpolating by click this button. Before we click the calculate button, we need to make sure one thing first, that is for this value. This value is TD in time domain. By default, SeisIn inputs this value as total trace length. Of course, this value is too deep for this 2000 meter in depth. We can change this data such as 1800. We need to change everything. This data depends on total depth in depth domain. This one, the depth is close to 2200, so we input the value of them. This data is just an approx estimate. After make sure all the total depths for wheel in time domain are correct, then click this button. All the top in time domain will be linear interpolated. Those data are not exactly accurate. We will do synthetic to verify those tops. Then we can click Save button and OK. Let's create a cross-section at C and click this button, Setting, and show the wheel track and show the wheel mark and click OK. Here we go. All the marker will show on the cross-section. Unfortunately for this project, SeisIn, there are no Sonic in this project, so I have to change another project to show how to do synthetic. Here is another project. For this wheel, blue curve is Sonic and the green curve is density, RHOB. We do the synthetic for this wheel and right click and synthetic. Here we can choose Sonic curve, dt, and the density. For this wheel, density is not so good at the shallow part, so I don't choose. This is a curve upscaling. You can scale file or course. This is a minimal interval, and this is the minimal RC. For wavelet, we can choose different wavelet for each zone. We can choose speed for H3 to H4. If we choose speed, we need to input 4 frequency. If we use rig, we use only 1 frequency. Here we can change the number for frequency, such as this zone, I input 35, and this zone, I input 55. Of course, we can load ASCII wavelet to do the synthetic. After all parameters have been set, click Apply button, and the synthetic will be calculated. And click Exist, and go to the setting panel and turn off this one and show synthetic. Okay. I could show the number of synthetic. Right now I show 6. Okay, the synthetic will show on this screen. Now we can shift the top in time domain. Just click this button, press this top and move up and move down. Press space key and repeat this operate. Press again and repeat operation. One more situation, such as if you want to shift this peak to here, but there is no mark around this time. In this situation, we need to add more tops. So before that, we need to check this time is 1330. We can go there and here and add one more mark. Time is 1330. For depth, we can give 8. Then OK. So a new tops is shown here. Then we can shift this one a little bit down to here. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye.